Okay, what month is it? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have our September Boxycharm. Very excited. There's some really cool things in here. So I pretty much did everything on my face that wouldn't be in the box. So I'm pretty much ready to go. There is an eyebrow product and we need it stat because something's missing, you know, on my face. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. And you get between, I think it's 5 to 6 or 4 to 5. I'm not sure. 4 to 6. I'm gonna say that. Usually full size or deluxe size beauty products. Like I said, 21 bucks a month. You always get over $100 worth of product in the box every month. Okay, so we need to do our brows. There is a brow product in here. Okay, well the first thing I'm gonna actually start with is something I'm not gonna use. It's the Dr. Brandt Biotic. I don't know why that was so hard to say. Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So this retails for $52. So you've got this here. This is, like I said, a sleeping mask, so can't really do that right now. And I don't really deal with redness that much. Do you hear it? Like, why is my chest so red right now? I love Dr. Brandt. I love getting these products in the box because it is a higher end brand and I don't want to pay $52 for this little teeny bottle. But that's pretty expensive. That's kind of nice to get in the box. I love getting Dr. Brandt in the box. It's definitely a brand that you do see sometimes, not often, but enough where you're like, oh. All right. Now we're going to move on to brows. We have the $1 Billion Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pin. This retails for $18 since it mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. Long lasting. Okay. I don't know if you can see like the little things here. That looks weird. But this just looks like a marker or something. What's on my, oh, I have foundation on my hand. I don't know how well this is going to, do you even see that? Okay. Okay, maybe I just need to wipe the excess product off of it. All right, I'm gonna zoom you in. Okay, so the color is nice. Oh, I didn't even mention what color it says. It says dark. The color is fine. I wouldn't say it's making hair-like strokes by any means. It almost just looks like I took a marker or something to the front of my brow. It's a little aggressive, I think. Just gonna try and. I think this is made to be like long-lasting too.
Love you.
Love you. How's the game?
Terrible. Awful.
Okay. It's not bad, but you can't, once you get it in there, you can't like feather it out and make it look, you know, more natural, I guess. So that's kind of a downer. And this is $18. I mean, I say spend the extra $3 and get the brow wiz from Anastasia. What? This brow is darker than this brow. Maybe it took a minute for the product to come out. I'm gonna stop because I'm not really happy with what is going on, and I'll probably be washing that off. Where's the lid? We have the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette that retails for $29. Pretty wearable colors. I did see Kathleen already play with this on her channel and it looked really pretty, so we're gonna go for just something nice. I don't ever wear green eyeshadow, but man, these like yellowy goldy colors here are speaking to me. And to apply, we have the Moda Royal and Langnickel, which we get a lot in Boxycharm. So the Royal and Langnickel Moda Pro 5-piece Deluxe eye kit. I feel like we've gotten this before. $27.95. They are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and no animal products used. So we have a smudger brush, a shade brush, it says line, but like an angled brush. A detail brush, which could be like more of a crease brush, and then a fluffier, what do they call it, crease brush. So nice. These brows are tragic. We're gonna go with this big old fluffy brush right here, and I'm gonna take the color Sand right here. That is kind of all I'm going to do with the shadow. I just kind of wanted to do something simple, something bright on the inner corner there, and it's kind of fall-y. Last thing in the box is a Hank & Henry Slick With It liner. Lickety black. Long wear liquid eyeliner. If you watch my videos, you know I never do eyeliner because I suck at it. Mess up. They're not equal, you know. It just never goes right. But here we are, doing a Boxycharm try on, and I'm gonna do it. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I'm stopping while I'm ahead. I like it. It is kind of nice. It's not too wet. It's, I like the teeny tiny little applicator. I don't know if you can tell, but it sucks. I know I'm not being hard on myself. It just, I suck at it. I do. I mean, like, here you can see, like, I went up right there. I probably will need like a little Q-tip to even fix that, but I like it. I don't know if it's supposed to be long wearing, how waterproof, like, I should probably read the card, huh? All right, so that retails for $20. Vegan liquid formula, dries down to a satin matte finish. Formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyes. Like, let's do a little spray. Oh, I need mascara. Ugh. Oh, I don't like this. Just trying out a new setting spray, the Milani one. I don't know if I like that. It's like really like hard on your face. All right, guys, that completes this Boxycharm try on. I think my favorite thing might have been the eyeshadow palette, I guess, because the brushes, they're okay. They're not like favorites, but they're great little staples. I actually liked this detail brush a little bit. I think it the best because I was able to do under my eyes and pack on like a color on the outside, and I liked the way it went on. But the eyeshadow palette had really pretty shades. It's very wearable. Pigmentation was great, and definitely something that I will keep using. So the brow product, no. Both my eyebrows are really wonky. I've got a girls' night tonight, so I'm definitely going to be redoing those. The eyeliner I liked. I actually did pretty decent on this eye. This one's a little wonky, but that's just me being me, not wearing eyeliner ever. I just don't ever wear it, so. And then the Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask I'll be passing along probably. But I think it's really cool to get Dr. Brandt things. Please keep them coming. They're one of my favorite brands to get in our Boxycharm. But yeah, that's it. I hope you're having a good one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave for more Boxycharm try-on videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!